Go, Mom, you need to go. Mom, you need to go because this water's picking up fast.
Oh man, I don't know if we're gonna get out.
We may not be able to get out of here.
Look at that.
Oh my goodness, yeah. We probably aren't going anywhere tomorrow if this keeps up. This is gonna be completely flooded.
And that's part of the Chattahoochee?
Yeah, the Chattahoochee's already up. We might be able to get around this part, but if that bridge is, that's an even worse spot right here. Watch, be careful.
Oh my God.
Wow. Unbelievable.
Oh yeah, we stuck.
We're probably, well, no, you could probably still get out of the knoll, and then you could probably still get out of, by the country club if this doesn't work though. But if that bridge is,
God, my heart's went back. Oh, I'm gonna get stuck or what? 7747.
you have to go through country club. You should still be fine theoretically, but this is definitely getting dangerous.
Oh, look at that.
Some lightning behind us again. Oh wow, that house is about to get flooded.
They just moved in that house not long ago.
Oh man.
When did they know what they were getting into? Probably not.
You hate it for them,
And
but
that house they just built back there with that nice grass.
this got flooded now.
Yeah.
This got flooded too, right to our right. Yeah, we're probably gonna be stuck.
It has rained really hard over here.
Well, I mean, once that cell moved in, or once this segment moved in, man, sheesh.
You know, like so this morning, and they said it wasn't gonna rain till this evening, and so when it rained, it rained.
Yeah, it rained and it kept raining.
Let them girl got us too. It's kind of dangerous.
Whoa, look in front of us. Yeah, we're stuck now. There's no question about it.
Can't go through there. You think?
It's sketch. We can make it, but we're not getting out. We're not going. We can't go back out.
No, we can't.
Yeah, that tears it right there.
Yeah. But so you think the
We
water
can-
go? I should move right.
Stay to your left. Yeah, stay to your left. Because, yeah, look at that. Unbelievable.
Yeah, that's the house right there. It always
This is the
floods from
tropical.
there.
This is the tropical downpour for you. Yeah, we're done here.
Yeah,
We're stuck.
Don't work tomorrow. When it's more of them.